Yes, at pinipilit ko nga ako personally na yung service of sentence gawin reciprocal na dito na lang sa Pilipinas. Pero hindi pa nagagawa yan. So, alam natin na kapag Pilipino na parusahan sa abroad o kahit papano naipit sa gera nung panahon ng yung truck driver sa Iraq-Iran, naalala ko talagang pinagpilitan natin na mag-ipon ng blood money pagkatapos nakipagkalas pa tayo sa Alliance of the Willing para makuha yung isang truck driver. So talagang lahat ng effort, kahit na-convict na, kahit kriminal na nga ang tukoy, pinipilit pa rin natin iuwi. Kaya ngayon, natatakot sila, yung dating Pangulo na matanda at may sakit, bakit tinangay sa ibang bansa? Takot na sila. Anong masasabi natin?
Ma'am, what we have po are mechanisms in which to defend our OFWs, more particularly with the DMW. Once they are faced with cases overseas in the host countries, nandun po ang legal retainers natin, ang lawyers natin on hand. Kung sila ay inaresto, pupuntahan sa police station, as what happened in the case of the Qatar 17. Based on the directive of the President, magkaroon ng jail visits. So nangyari po ng jail visits doon and welfare assistance and of course yung immediate release na na-secure sa kanila.
Okay, so yung 1,198, maiuwi ba natin sila?
Ma'am, meron pong kanya-kanyang process as mentioned by Yusek Ed in the host countries. Meron ho, as far as I know, Soj is here, meron pong service of sentence agreements usually. As far as I know, the most recent one agreed was the UAE. We were there with the Soj who signed it.
Konti pa lang, nasa 27 pa lang yata, napakadaming bansa.
Would not have first-hand information as to how many, but definitely meron tayo mga bansa na
I just
meron
sponsored
mga
the last
agreements.
one with Canada po.
Opo. There are some countries who voluntarily send sentenced persons home. The most recent one is Kuwait. But yes, generally it requires an agreement, ma'am.
Secretary Manalo, please, mauuwi ba natin sila?
We will try as much as we can, pero depende rin sa nature of their crime. But for sure, they will be given adequate legal help. Tsaka kung pwede, we will try our best to bring them home. Sometimes we have an unexpected result, like yung nangyari sa Indonesia kay Mary Jane Veloso. They decided just to send her back. So it's really case by case, pero just ang policy natin is whenever we can, we'll do our best to try and bring them home or at least lessen their sentence. Depende sa nature of the crime or the